Japan.
Japan. You're going to Taiwan.
Yeah. Why are she? Where Taiwan? Mama, I want more pie, Mommy. I want more pie there. What? The cloud coming to my way, Mommy. The cloud, Mommy. The cloud. Mama, I want you, Mommy. Mama, I don't see my. Mama, where are we going? Mama, where are we going, Mommy? Okay. Mommy, I never go to Korea in the street down there. Mama, I never go down there, Mama, before. There, Mama, Taiwan. Yeah, in Taiwan we're going for. Welcome to Taiwan. Mama, when I see the Taiwan, we should not welcome to Taiwan. Oh, Mommy, Mommy, there would be swimming pool there, Mommy.
So deep.
Right there, Mommy.
What else do you see?
Are we there? This swimming pool are there. Mommy, there. Mommy, there be swimming pool there. There be swimming pool there too. And then we're looking for another one.
Big swimming pool na.
There's big swimming pool there, also the way there. I need to take off. Mama, Mommy, I have to. I want soda. I want soda.
Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Taoyuan International Airport in Taiwan. Local time now, it's 36 minutes past 9 in the morning. Again, there is no time difference between Manila, Philippines and Taipei, Taiwan. The ground temperature is at 16 degrees Celsius.
Lamig no? Yes, saya. Saya ni Braeden. Hi Braeden, welcome to Taiwan.
Welcome to Taiwan!
We will go to the shopping center in the Pineapple Cake Museum. Yeah. They sell the pineapple cake and the nougat, crispy, yeah, a lot of desserts. So people will need to buy some souvenir or dessert for your families or friends. And after the museum, we will go to the local steakhouse. Yes, that's Taiwanese local steakhouse. They will serve you the steak, but you need to get there's a number.
那大家要把这个号码记起来哦，因为等会领取是以这个号码领取哦。
And you need to memorize the numbers. Later, I will distribute the pineapple cake by numbers. All the numbers. Memorize them down. Yeah, you can take picture. Take picture so you will not forget.
啊，我们每个人桌上都有一份，一个这个是凤梨酥的饼皮，
妈咪，
黄色的这一个，
妈妈，我的米。
然后这个是内馅，啊，这是花板。
Golden one is the filling.
对，那凤梨的饼皮是由面粉，
It is made by flour,
对，鸡蛋，
egg,
鸡蛋，然后无水，法国无水奶油，
the buttery from
对，合
France.
成的饼皮，肉，去压它。
And don't move the mold. Don't take it. The dog will drop.
Where are you, Andrae? Where are you? Where are you?
This is the pineapple cake that Andrae made himself. Andrae, look at your creation.
Okay, it's me.
That's mine.
No, that's mine. My daddy.
Let me see. Is it still hot?
Oh.
Mama,
Ah, you made this earlier. Wow.
it's mine.
Yes, it's yours.
It's mine.
Let me see.
Yummy.
Yummy. Sleeping Braeden. Yummy, Daddy. Yummy.
Manghang? wala kami. Wala kami. Hihina ako. Hihina ako. Good, good.
Nice. Let's wait for them.
Danshui River is also the border of Taipei City and New Taipei City. So after this river, we arrive New Taipei City. And this river is the longest river in most part of Taiwan.
Taiwan City.
Again, where?
Salty water.
Taiwan City.
The seawater.
Yeah.
Taipei City.
And along the river, we always
What
have
did
the
you do
riverside
today?
riverbank
Baby.
park. So in the morning, we'll see people jogging.
You made a cake,
People go
a
jogging
bread,
in the
diba?
morning
Yung
and
hold
have
the
some
bread.
sports on weekend and
And
picnic on the
we
weekend.
went outside. It was very cold.
Okay, so let's go back to the duty-free shop.
Are you still
After that,
feeling cold
we will
now?
have the dinner. Taiwanese
Oh,
flavored
nice.
dinner. Around the table,
Where are we going next?
around the table for everyone, we share like the Chinese New Year Eve dinner. Okay, tomorrow and after that we
Okay,
go back
see
to
you
the hotel.
tomorrow.
Yeah, I hope when you go back to the hotel, you we can go to Ximending.